So in this video we are going to learn about the map function with lambda functions. And map functions are too important in both JavaScript and Python. It eases up your work, I guess. So let's start. In this video we are going to create a function which will take a list as an argument, and it will create one more list in which it will store the cube of all the elements of the past of the list we have passed to that function. So let's start. So let me create a list first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's create a function def okay, it's cube, and I'm passing L, which is a list, and for x in L what we are going to do is we are going to store the cubes in other list. So L2 is an empty list, and let me append the cubes of all the elements to it. And after the for loop we'll use this else keyword, which will execute only after this condition is false. So else return L2. So we are returning this L2 list after appending all the cubes of these elements in this L2 list. So now I'm going to print this list, cube of this list. Let's save it and let's run it. Python 3 map.py. So it's printing the cube of all the elements of this list. Now let's take a look at how we can do the same program in just one line, or I guess just 2 lines of code. It's 6 lines of codes. So using map function. So what we are going to do is we are going to store the map object in A, and let me do the definition part first. So map is a higher order function, and if you did some calculus then you must know what is a higher order function. A function that takes function as an argument, or I can say y is a function of x. So this y is a function that which changes its value with this x or this fx. So let's talk about the parameters of map functions. Parameters of map function. First parameter is param is a function. It can be a lambda function, can be a lambda function, or a simple function. And the second parameter is an iterable. It can be a list, a tuple, a set, a dictionary, or even a string. So we are going to use a lambda function on the at the first parameter. So lambda x into x, and the second parameter is an iterable. So list is an iterable, and we are going to pass this list here. And let me print the A object, which is the result of this map function. So let me save it and let me. Okay, it's too slow, I guess. What is it? What is lasers, or I don't know. It's still saving. What it is doing? No. Leave it. So as you can see, it's a map object, but we want this output in a list, and we want the output like this, something like this. So we are going to typecast this map object in a list. Let's save it. It's still going on. I don't know what is it. Okay, so it printed the map object in a list, which is same as this print statement. And it's not necessary to pass a lambda function. You can create some simple function also. So what should I call it? Lambda alternative, I guess. Yeah, lambda alternative, and return n into n into n, and you can pass lambda alternative. And let's run this again, and we got some. Okay, it's not lambda, it's lambda. So we got the same output, and this is it. This is the map function. You can do some more practice, and this is all about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.